Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can change the default settings in Outlook by changing Outlook's options in the Outlook Options dialog box. This dialog box has already appeared at various points in this tutorial. However, you should know how to access this dialog box directly to change its settings if needed. To open the Outlook Options dialog box in Outlook, click the File tab in the ribbon to open the Backstage view. Then click the Options command at the left side of the Backstage view to open the Outlook Options dialog box. In this dialog box, click a category listing at the left side of the dialog box to then change any settings that appear within that category at the right side of the dialog box. When you are finished, click the OK button to save your changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.